figure below, we have a bunch of nested squares, and the area of the shaded region is 64% of the area of the original outermost square. We're trying to find k, where k is the ratio of the lengths of the square, and k is between 0 and 1. Now, if we set the outermost length to be 1, k is between 0 and 1, well, if we made the ratio of the outermost length to the inner length, that's obviously going to be greater than 1. So k has to be the ratio of the inner length to the outer length. If I call the inner length y over 1 is equal to k. So that means y is k. So that means from side length 1, the next square is k with side length k. And this length is going to be k squared, then k to the third, and so on. So the area of each square is 1, k squared, k to the fourth, k to the sixth, and so on. The area of each of these shaded regions is simply 1 minus k squared plus k to the fourth minus k to the sixth, and to infinity. We sum all these up and we should get our answer. So 1 minus k squared, right, plus k to the fourth minus k to the sixth, plus k to the 8th minus k to the 10, and so on. This is an infinite sum, and k, right, is between 0 and 1. Hence, a geometric sequence like this should converge. But what are the geometric sequences? Well, there's the sum of two sequences, the sum of all positive elements and the sum of all negative elements. So the sum of all positive elements is 1, or k to the 0, plus k to the fourth, plus k to the 8th, and to infinity, minus parentheses k squared plus k to the 6 plus k to the 10, to infinity. So the common ratio here is k to the fourth. The common ratio here is also k to the fourth. K is between 0 and 1. So a number between 0 and 1 raised to the fourth is still between 0 and 1. And that means the geometric series must converge with a very nice formula. So that this sum is the first term, 1, divided by 1 minus the common ratio, which is k to the fourth. This is the first term, k squared, divided by 1 minus the common ratio of k to the fourth. Subtract these two fractions, we get 1 minus k squared over 1 minus k to the fourth. This simplifies into 1 over 1 plus k squared. This is equal to 64 over 100 because this is equal to how much shaded area we have, and it's equal to 64% of 1, which is just 64 over 100. So 100 right, is equal to 64 plus 64k squared. 64k squared is equal to 36. K squared is 36 over 64. 36 is 6 squared, 64 is 8 squared, so k is 6 over 8. Simplify, 3 over 4. So our answer has to be D.